Good afternoon, Cody Cawthorn here, Rush Truck Center's Dallas Peterbilt. Just wanted to give you a quick walk around of one of two 2020 Peterbilt 567 DAYCABS I currently have available. This unit in this video is currently sitting at 402,000 miles. The sister truck to it, which is the same spec, is sitting at about, I think, 237. These both have the setback front axle configuration. We're looking at 13K fronts on the steer, 40K rears on the drive axles. As far as wheelbase, you have 115 inches from bumper to back of cab, and then 193 inches as far as overall wheelbase. This unit is equipped with collision mitigation, therefore it's got the blind spotter arm and sensor. There is plenty of frame space on this passenger side. I believe it's about 53 inches from the blind spotter to right before that stainless steel quarter fender. Now, this unit is equipped with a 2-line WET KIT PTO system, as well as I think that's hydroflow tank we got there. The system can be removed if needed. Unit does have an air slide fifth wheel, keep you from getting in and out of the cab. Plenty of tire life. I mean, I'd say 90%, probably sitting at 11, 12, 30 seconds. Very clean frame, very well maintained. Again, these units were former Rush truck leasing units, therefore I do have full maintenance and service records available from the moment it was put into service. These units do also qualify for up to 1 year and 125,000 miles of additional OEM extended engine and after treatment coverage. That coverage does include a 90-day vehicle base bumper to bumper coverage. So if you have something fail, like let's say that marker light sitting there, that fails in the first 90 days, that would be covered at no out-of-pocket expense to you. I believe we got a single fuel tank, so 110 I believe, or 120. Climbing into the cab here. This unit has full analog gauges, 4 gauge pack in the dash. We got front axle, rear axle, brake application, suspension load, all the switches. We got 2 spare switches, traction control, collision mitigation, work light, air slide fifth, suspension dump, inner axle lock, and then remote and PTO controls. AC is operated using the climate control module there. Got smart wheel controls and of course the EATON 8LL manual. Black vinyl and cloth seats, both air ride for extra comfort, cup holder, plenty of space on the floorboard if needing to add any sort of PTO controls or equipment. Grab bar, climbing in and out of the cab. Serrated steps, stainless steel. Keep you from slip, tripping, and falling, and also looking good. Going down the road. HD bumper for maximum clearance. Again, powered by the 455 horsepower PACCAR MX-13. 1650 torque, paired with an EATON 8-speed 8LL transmission. Great money-making spec right here. If you're interested in making these yours today, give me a shout, 817-404-6141. Again, my name's Cody Cawthorn. I'm located at Rush Truck Centers in Dallas, Texas. Thank you and have a great day.